Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. So this footage I literally just found in my phone. I was going through my phone and I was like, oh wow, I did a whole curling video. So I decided to share it. I absolutely love curling hair, and typically I curl hair with a flat iron unless I'm doing wand curls or using a crimper. Other than that, I always use a flat iron. This was my flat iron of choice because it is curved, but it actually stopped working like within a year of me getting it. I reached out to them, they have not responded. So yeah, but I use pretty much any flat iron. I prefer one that's rounded though, it curls so much easier. Also, this is my second flat iron for them to break, so I'm just like, y'all flat irons too expensive to be breaking. Okay, moving on. Because of the type of curls that I'm doing, I'm pretty much splitting the hair down the middle. I'm curling the right side backwards and I'm curling the left side backwards away from the face. And that's because I'm doing body curls, so I'm doing all the curls the same way on one side and then all the curls the same way on the other side. If I wanted more of a, I guess, not so uniformed looking curls, then I will alternate the direction of the curls, but because of the type of look I want, the direction of the curls are the same. So anytime I do a sew-in and the client said they want it curled, this is typically how the hair will be curled unless otherwise specified. You tell me you want wand curls, or you have like hair that's not straight and I need to blend it, so I'll use another type of curls. But this is typically how I do it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. It's pretty self-explanatory. So I hope you guys enjoy. And this is actually a micro weft install. This was actually a maintenance appointment. So I did a shampoo, condition, tightening, and then curl. And that is it, guys. And then I do the comb through, which may or may not work. You know, everybody on Instagram make the comb out look so good and so easy. And every time I do it, I just be like, So yeah, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. And TTYL.